What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. I appreciate you stopping in and checking out the video. In this video, I just want to be really quick. I want to put it in perspective of how important a social business page, a business page on your social platforms, how important they are. Now, this is an Instagram business page or even a Facebook business page. Some people just have these and they almost put them on the back burner, like they're not that important, and that's where all your social proof comes from. And with social proof comes sales. Once you start accumulating sales, and you will, once you start accumulating those sales, those customers that purchase from you more than likely has either an Instagram account, or they'll have a Facebook account, or both, or even other ones. So they have these, and they fill their page, and they tag your company, your business, with a picture of their product that they purchased from you. Now, when they do this, that creates social proof. The other potential customers or people that's on the fence that hasn't pulled the trigger of purchasing this certain product from you, they will see this, and they'll see that that customer that has pulled the trigger, that they enjoy your product, that you know, it'll show the quality, it'll show that they're proud of it. So just naturally, they too will want to be a part of your business and purchase that product from you. Social proof is very important in 2018, and just from the few years past, it's always been very important. Naturally, as humans, we want to be a part of something that's popular, that other people enjoy being a part of. And when they see this, they too will wonder, you know, what do I need to do to be in that inner circle? And they too will want to be a part of that. So creating social proof is very important, and doing that through social platforms is about the easiest way, most convenient way in 2018. Now, you'll find that probably about 95% of the people that's on the fence from purchasing from you, or the customers that has purchased from you, have some sort of social network on one of the other platforms. Either way, whether it be Instagram, Facebook, Tumblr, no matter what it is, you're going to find that those customers do have those accounts, and they will be happy to share their purchase with their friends, and with that comes more sales. So definitely very important. Guys, I want you to focus, not just in the next week, but maybe the next 3 months. Devote yourself to those pages. Being consistent, posting consistently will create a snowball effect. And there's a lot more points that I have that I can bring into the picture and create a video over, and I'm going to, with Instagram and with Facebook separately. I will create a video here in the near future, whether it be today, tomorrow, but be looking for that video. I personally took an account for a store that I had created through Shopify. I had, I think, like 38 followers on this account for right around 3 weeks. I devoted myself, and in the next 3 months, I took that from the 38 followers to 10,800 followers, just from a very simple method that I have, that I've put together, and I want to make a video. So definitely subscribe to the channel if you like what I've told you today. Definitely consider subscribing. Be looking out for that video that I upload for how to grow your Instagram account, and then also how to grow your Facebook business account. Very important method, something you need to be implementing in your business today. So consider subscribing to the channel. Hit the little bell notification, the little bell icon, to receive notifications from me when I upload those videos. Be on the lookout for them. If you like what I've presented today, definitely hit that like button. I'd appreciate the support. I appreciate you stopping by, and until next time, guys, peace out.